What are you doing over there?
My birthday present finally showed up.
Trev and I, for Nick's birthday, bought him a camshaft for Brenda. I guess one advantage to your camshaft blowing up on your birthday.
You get the change.
Did the cam just fall out of the box?
Yep.
Oh wow.
Oh, fuck. Look at it. Would you just look at it?
What is that? Is that a camshaft?
If you throw it at the ground, it's a good one.
If it bounces twice,
It's bad. If it breaks, it's good.
so 480. Duration is 320, but it's actually 285.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, lift is 320 at the cam. At the valve it's 480. Advertised duration 285 or 228 at 50.
What's up, internet? Up on a camshafting today. My summer cam. Just seeing me and Layne open. So I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff out of this way, clean the rest up, pull that junk out, and shove a new one in. Fingers crossed by the end of the day I'm smoking a set of tires off though, so it's right there. Finally ready to pull a camshaft. I'm gonna try and find a bolt that fits that and we'll rip that bad boy out of there. Camera died while I shoved this camshaft in its hole. It's in its home now. I clean all the gaskets up off of everything and start putting it back together. No matter how many times I do this, it never gets easier. Break this cam in. Yeah. Like there's always, oh, it was just a flat tap it. But it gets me right here because you never know if it's just gonna fail. And I waited a month for this cam, so
goes flat in the first 30 seconds of trying to run it.
yeah. Yeah, so fingers crossed. We're gonna film it starting and then idling, but we're not gonna bore you with 25 minutes of break-in. Yep, that thing would make this work.
You gotta plug your distributor into your ignition box for it to make
Weird.
pop noises.
God damn.
Take 4.
A4.
Pops right up there. Or goes pop!
Or backwards. Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Like I said, it's stressful every damn time.
No shinies on the dipstick.
That's good. Cam braking went really well.
A good timing light.
Good timing light.
2 people.
And, oh, yeah. Doing it by yourself is kind of a task because you got to get it run and then hop out, hop out. It fired up right away once, you plug your distributor into your box. That's from, like, pulling everything apart, so ignore the mess. But everything's good. It didn't overheat.
Nothing.
That is a clean oil.
Clean oil.
We're going to let it cool off, kind of double check some things. We may or may
Guess what's about to happen?
I'm gonna break those.
Ranger tires on the dart.
I'm about to go break it at camshaft.
I'm sure you guys can figure it out.
Did I pop one?
Nope.
Well, finally some live action on the channel. It's been a minute. Gonna do some break-in miles, check over everything, make sure everything's good, everything seems all good. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Remember, there's merch at riskyhabits.ca, hoodies, t-shirts. We're working on some new designs, so that'll come soon. Follow all our social medias at Risky Habits 1, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, same. Find us all in there and keep up with what we're doing in between our videos that we're supposed to do weekly. Remember, drive fast, take chances, risky habits.